Right, abusuafo for me tiachi obi a me ne ho kwaba. E de ba by Grace TVG. So gize twedi ampo nyankopon to abusua obi a ho ye me ne ho kwaba biem e ma yi na afihia pa. Afia yesi me so nyame se onye obi akoma so ade ma na onye mfiri adom mu enko adom wo ye Awurade Yesu Kristo ne mu ti. Amen. Abusua yi na nim se afia etwa mu no e boso men so ne da to so de onunsia 26 July 2025. And a Charles Kodjofo so that the lumba nyame dia na yina edi one dance that number wo achi de ene ensem a akoso wo man Ghana mu ano ye ka say ye ka ye nkan wie ne adechempo e ka ho na busua de di mu tintiman ba ye ebra ensem kodan court na ekoba say ma ye maame akoso asewa na afro dobroni na maame akoso asewa kire say o ne gire bia aware no amamre e na afa emra mu na titiri kwa ne jama emra ordinance marriage bi agitum na no nti that number ni akonya bia so ware obi e ka na ho na odobroni nso awe afọdụ kodan course there bi almost wo didi ese maame akoso ase wonder lumba eja awade ya odobroni na yegere ense won course bebre ya ni court kwa dia temu ba ya temu de ba ense ya maame akoso ase wa ene odobroni omu nyina ayegere no esanse court nchimo de ba ense enkrata ya ne sefata se wo se maame akoso ase wa ne fan ne lawyer for the bedi adanse emma na wade enkrata Germany awade de edi mu no nje duru bi court say na touch makakra nti wanyi antum ti ofa ne say ya wa no e wo fie e wa fie apema hankon de okunu ba kono 1991 e wo customary marriage mu e no do broni so ya wa no e wo fie de customary marriage in the year 2010 ti court bo say omu yenu na yere ya omonko na omonko yekuna say de amamre ni amnesty na busua unse asem we Ghana for do na nyintum ade sa na bebre no a e kire o madwen e de afa na yenka bi nhie mu kra na busua yensa ka fresh petition ya petition we Ghana for ye omo Germany e no mu nyina ka bom atwe sa petition edi bi abra Ghana aban edi bi ahwe Ghana osofo hwe amane bon nsem so edi bi akoma Germany aban to the German embassy o Ghana ha ene che sensem bebre ene won katan mu a Ghana for ye wa kontum tito ni German me won ni bresem na ne se sabi sa krata ye ma me akoso ase wanda number o ma hode krata no eno abia na o mu na ekura wo mo eti se ko ba se ababedu court na court say awade nkata no bibi touch ma ho ni ntumu a na ene eye bu wo mo a titi oni Ghana for wa kontum Germany abuchima mu na o mo so awade say ya no mafam na nkura awade nkata we ya bia no na eye bu wo mo awade nkata ya nimtia ekoba so se china bi ebi on so asem bi to mo na ekoba se yenko court yenko ka ho asem a Ghana court wa kasa asem go enti betwa se bi ato ya china bi nso court no be ska asem foforo no a e de a kire wo se wo ma wade no anase wo ma wade nkata no ha o kakra ho e basa na eye bu German amra enya mamre ne amane animtia na afi wo Ghana fo a wo so e wa kwantum na wo so mo kwantum de den so mo bua o man Ghana mpuntu no o man Ghana ni kire ti wo se Ghana bra no eji wo so nsem tum na bua ma o mu na tumpon na bibia he bokọ na busua kata na nya asem ketu akwantu de yenwure mo ho de yenhwe de wo mpote na yentiase yi said ya isi at the kata no say petition from Ghanaians in the Federal Republic of Germany requesting clarification and intervention on the recognition of German civil marriage certificates in Ghana, submitted by the Ghanaian diaspora in the Federal Republic of Germany. There's a brilliant opportunity when the cartel I said what they bread abemum penny for ya etisano. Now we na Ghana for more German abrichmemu, ya more pet in Chimu, after says abemum, efa Germany awadian kata, and one sense more Ghana. The now Kumasi High Court Kayema Dr. Justice Dorinda Smith Arthur. Ebu asem no ka say omo awade nkata ma me akoso ase wanda lumba wa nkata no the touchment na ma omo etwem say enti omo submit Ghana for your kontu mo Germany and the bre aban panyimfo be bo omo edi bia bre omo no 19th December ya and omo the bre panyimfo ye te say omo the bre Ghana man panyin His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana Ira John Dramani Mahama Onyabi sanso enafe the ambassador of the Republic of Ghana to the Federal Republic of Germany na say Ghana ambassador ya or Germany ono so nsa kan de afi oso afọ ya ohwe amawodo so nsem so irokuje to ablakwa ono so mo di bia bre no afọ mo di bia bre His Lordship the Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana Chief Justice His Lordship Justice Bafuboni ono so mo di bia bre no and afi omo di bi so abre the Office of Diaspora Affairs at the Presidency ono so oba yeman Ghana mu a mampenya time ne wo mo ahwe amahodo so nsensem akontu mu nsensem so that's Office of Diaspora Affairs so ye de bia bre omo and afei omo de bia koma His Excellency the Ambassador of the Federal Republic of Germany to the Republic of Ghana. Let's say Germany aban na mu senior wɔ ha sɛ German ambassador wɔ Ghana ha no ɔno nso ɔmo de bi akɔ akɔma no na deɛ yɛnto yɛbo ase na yɛnwura nsɛm no yɛnte ase nti atifi asɛm sɛ your excellencies his lordship the kind of subject matter will say, we the undersigned representatives of the Ghanaian diaspora residing in the Federal Republic of Germany respectfully submit this petition for your urgent attention and intervention. They say, oh Ghana for you, welcome to mu, yeah, Germany, my Federal Republic of Germany, my mu, and I'm a kuchi kata wingna. Say, omo de blame penny for Bob the Ghana man penny ambassador, yeah, Ghana ambassador over Germany, of course, all for Shaman and Bon Sem so, and some hold also Sem so foreign affairs minister, of a chief justice of Ghana, of a office of diaspora affairs or presidency, and a German embassy, a German ambassador on so Ghana has say, on some to be at a burn to almost sound and the Paku on track at a bromina no more at a brom one, not a Ghana for your more German abitum. Ɛna ɛtwerɛ and nkaate sɛ ɛbɛyɛ mpanyinfoɔ mo mo ani aba ho na deɛ sɛ bakora na so betumi abɛ mama yie ato yie a ɔmaba ɔmabɛm na yie ato yie yɛn to aso say our concern arises from the recent judicial decision delivered by Her Ladyship Justice Dorinda Smith Arthur of the Kumasi High Court, in which the German marriage certificate of Mrs. Akosua Serwaa&Thousands was deemed inadmissible on the grounds that it had not been authenticated by the Ghana embassy in Berlin. Let's say omochi akate omochi na kobai bra Justice Dorinda Smith Arthur one na Kumasi High Court mo for him na odi asem no obu asem no ka asem ma me Akosua Serwaa&Thousands that lumba here na wadi enka ta odi tu enye ye ni na say ye authenticate na say ye man ni mu free a Ghana embassy of Berlin ho ntina mo matwe sa akate na ye to aso say in an effort to comply with this requirement, we formally wrote to the Ghana Embassy in Berlin on 3rd November 2025 requesting authentication of the said German marriage certificate. Regrettably, the embassy responded on 12 November 2025 under reference #BLN/C0/19, indicating that the authentication of German-issued civil documents does not fall within their mandate and advising us instead to contact the Ministry of Affairs, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Ghana. Let's say every court can answer in same way we am. And I almost didn't know Emma almost declared called Ghana Embassy or Berlin, Germany. I have seen do back with them that also means yeah, I'm say almost pay and Chimuye. Edi afa awade nkrata ho na afei ekwan kwa efo so authenticate German marriage certificate titiri kwa na ma me Akosua Serwaa no authentication ho so be ombenya mu nkyeremu na mo de krata na koma abusetiani o Ghana embassy e wo Berlin Germany no bese na nkunachi 9 days later na wo respond ye mo yoma no krata na number na wo mo chem se o sak ensema mo hwe yen ye Ghana embassy e wo Berlin no enye yen na ye hwe sansensem no na some penny dia I just some they command the Ministry of Foreign Affairs or Ghana internet Ghana embassy na Berlin ka chom say omo check out amre Ministry of Foreign Affairs or Ghana hamum so omo say omo ehu authentication na nsensem bia afi it also be mo say this contradiction between the High Court expectation and the embassy's stated limitations has created serious procedural frustration, a significant setback for this particular case, and widespread disappointment among Ghanaians living in Germany. Okay, so many of whom rely on their legally valid German civil marriages being recognized at home in Ghana. Next, and she will say, on the brand and several questions on authentication and so on, or the country the command German embassy, yeah, medical Ghana embassy or Germany, almost just on from our foreign affairs. Almost trade about foreign affairs and answer Busia na aqua bidi. And now if you almost say na high court negotiation yama any embassy so and some more kind at the end. A man ko ha dwen pa because high court more authentication ra. Ya be embassy yeah, most more a German abichimemo. Most there be yes the foreign affairs here what Ghana say. Then say ama hard drink court use up authentication within that stipulated time. Na be then say we be sa come me aba ama court ejina so e de ebu asem so obu de ma me Akosua Serwaa and say ya. Enti wo chere say e ma ne ama hard drink pa. Na nam santi no na ne ma ko hard drink no. Ama titiro pa ne Ghana for yeah wo mo ewo akwantum. Afei yet also be more one money bebre ya aka ye omo akwantum tishoni Ghana for omo German abichimemu na omo nso aware aban mu de na mraji atum no omo na edi ya nwunyi kakra esan sɛ ɛkame akɔyɛ saa deɛ a na ɔmo kɔ ɔmo awadeɛ ɔmo awade wɔ akɔntum Germany abotuma mu no ɛba Ghana ha yɛnhyɛ da ɛnyi ntum yɛ a ɛnim sɛdeɛ esi ɛteɛ afei ɛtɔ so bi mo sɛ the uncertainty now surrounding the status and recognition of German marriage certificates has caused distress, confusion, and a loss of confidence in the administrative coherence between Ghana's institutions at home and abroad. Na say sɛdeɛ na nteaseɛ hyɛ da nyɛ adwuma na ani na hɔ fan ma yɛnhu nneɛma no yie nti no ama sɛ si akora me no kasa yi Germany awadeɛ nkrataa yɛ a sɛbi Ghanafoɔ hɔ Germany wɔn awadeɛ nkrataa yɛ di mu hɔ no asɛ bebree na akora ɛdwendwen ho ama wɔn atɔbɔ akaka wɔn awura ɔhaw mu ebinom awɔ ɔhaw ne amanneɛ mu ama wɔn yɛ koraa ama wɔn ne gyidie biara ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Germany ɛne Ghana man titiri pa ne Ghana sɛ ɛyɛ aban nnwuma yɛ ɛwɔ ha sɛ yɛn court ne adeɛ afei government agencies anaasɛ state institutions ɛwɔ Ghana ha no ama asɛ wɔn yɛ ahwɛ gyidie kakra ɛwɔ mu. There was a loss of confidence in the administrative coherence between Ghana institutions at home and abroad. And that's one area to back a free Ghana state institutions. A minor numa, yeah, well, Sabi, Hassay, Yaman Ghana, honey, 1 year walk on to Sansa me pay. I dance even I'm a see, yes, me found call my back on to mu, a Ghana, foreign affairs, and also Ghana embassy or Germany, yes, me from Ghana, nothing I say. Yentimi 1 year many mwamia na yako hatwin kakra. After just be more say the implications of this ruling extend far beyond the immediate parties to the proceedings and pose serious long-term consequences for Ghanaians in the diaspora who have contracted valid civil marriages abroad. Let's say sa atemuya Kumasi according to Jai Mami justice during that 32 Jai. As soon as will be pa ne say Ghana for nye wɔn mu a na asɛm yi fɔ wɔn yɛ maame Akosua Serwaa ɛne dade lumba ɛne ebi a ɔdɔ broni ɛne ebusuapɛni tupac ne wɔn nko ana ebenya nsusuanso wɔn so na mmom ɛde oyie n'ani ɔsɛ bi abɛto a ɛbɛyɛ long term na ɛsɛ ɛbɛda hɔ afebɔɔ ebenya nsusuanso wɔ Ghanafoɔ yɛ wɔn akɔntum yɛ wɔn ɛwɔ awadeɛ nkrataa edi mu na mmegye tum ɛwɔ akɔntum afei ɛtɔ so bi wɔn sɛ implications ti di implications bi ɛna wɔn ɛka ho asɛm yɛn to aso sɛ this situation has far reaching implications beyond the immediate case of Mrs. Akosua Serwaa for su. Na say somebody here kana. Just say asem we ya ba no. Ensuanzo ya ewe chi no. Enye maame Akosua Serwaa for su nko a ene benya sunsunsuan. So after into us was say thousands of Ghanaians residing in Germany are lawfully married under the German civil systems. The suggestion that such documents are insufficient or invalid without an additional layer of authentication, one that the Ghana embassy itself cannot provide, places the entire Ghanaian community at risk of having their marriages questioned, doubted, or disregarded when matters arise before Ghanaian institutions and courts. Next, what Ghana voni pam pim. And I walk on to Germany memoir, one now worry. Ɛwɔ German civil system no mu na sɛ kɔba sɛ court ɔtemu a ɔde baeɛ sɛ authentication bi a nkɔ so na court bɛnya authentication ansa na ɔgye awadeɛ no ato mu a saa authentication nso na Ghana embassy ɛwɔ Germany antumi amprovide na foreign affairs ministries ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo nsa nka biribi asɛe ɛneɛ na ama Ghana fo ade hyɛ ɛwɔ German abotuma mu no wɔn nyinaa ɛdi asɛ daakye bi wɔn nso awadeɛ nkrataa no yɛnyɛ ntum ɛwɔ Ghana sɛ court o anaasɛ Ghana aban adwuma bi mu anaasɛ aban institution aban agency bi mu wɔn nso nyɛ ntum ɛba saa na ɛmo atɔ ba ha na sɛ animonyam bia anim ɛwɔ wɔn nkyi Ghana asan sɛ yɛde akuntu nso wɔn a ne nkyi a ɛna ɛkɔ afei ɛtɔ so bi wɔ sɛ it is deeply troubling that a legally issued internationally recognized marriage certificate accepted by German courts, employers, immigration authorities and global institutions can be undermined in Ghana due to administrative gaps between state agencies. Now, so I say, one would deal out in this whoop. Say, Krata, I said, Bimbrana, a diaba, and I said, Brana, I just to walk on to name to issue or diaba. Yeah, a German marriage certificate. Na German abanye to German adwuma mu mpanyifo de to German akọ ne ahwa ma hodo so nsensem so a immigration authorities na agi to afa wiase amansan nyina agi to na Ghana ha nko ade ebedu bebe na ebebu na nimtia ni nyina ne se sebi nipa bi na ebi a also omo ye omo adwuma administrative gaps say obi na also o issue authentication bi na ode fa na ode say mra ha na ono antimi anyenti na yebu na nimtia e wo ye man Ghana mba say ha atwen And what also him say such inconsistencies create avoidable legal uncertainty, emotional distress, and the perception that the rights of Ghanaians in the diaspora are not adequately protected by the systems meant to serve them. That's what I say. Ekobasa na same way ekosumi na no emana hadwen na ama Ghana for akontum ko adwens ene ye wa akontum mi yemfa awodie ene niema emra na man okwa ese fata se ensaka no Ghana yeman no entimi emmo ho ban ma ye said dia isi etie. After it also we must say, for the avoidance of doubt and in the interest of legal clarity, we respectfully note the following undisputed fact. Let's say, and simply on with church, mama, Ghana full in our term now man saying in our term you remember say the marriage certificate was duly issued and verified by the competent German civil authority, Standesmart, in Bochum, Germany. Let's say, ma mi Akosua se under dumba wadi enkata. German civil authority ena ede baye ya omo aso verify omo ji tu mu ma on kwan se no kre ya wade nkata di mu e wo German man mu ya Bonhem Germany ena oji tu mu sa after also be him say or say a certified and sworn German to English translation of the marriage certificate was completed in accordance with international best practices. Na say or say so be him say yanka mu obi ante say sabi krata no ya wade nkata no or sign the free German kasem eba English once Ghana oba ha kasa ya fa say official language English ohima lazy kasa bi can you can just kasa it almost translated from Germany eba English official language of Ghana said their ACT in accordance with international best practice. So the US now with the crate every free mind be command for so what be kasa o man na ekomu no omu na ate ase no mjitum to omu ye ni na and after also to be him say the embassy of the Federal Republic of Germany in Accra formally issued written confirmation attesting to the authenticity and validity of the marriage certificate. Let's say, Empokrano, Ghana, German embassy, one kind Ghana. Omu ina aji tumu bi, enwu sa mpa no kre, ema the krata ba abonten, ye be pisu se, sa awade krata that lumba ma Akosua sa awade krata no. Kroji, ye fin bia eni ho, na awade krata, mbra aji tumu. Na German apan ina so aji tumu. After it also be must say concerns of the Ghanaian diaspora in Germany. Okay, let's say Ghana form war Germany British no. Sanse we about how kwan say yent the petition yaba. And na say baby rem ni akin kind no so na bibia and so we did can say the Ghanaian diaspora in Germany is profoundly concerned and distressed by the legal reasoning and broader implications of this ruling. Let's say Ghana for your Germany. Omudi apa omu atoba ha ye basa kakra. Said here emra ya etai asem we achi ene said ye osikura ebu asem no ene sunsunso anso da achi bi efa sa atem we eba so or say while we fully respect the independence of the judiciary, we are compelled to draw attention to the precedent setting nature of this decision and its far-reaching impact on thousands of Ghanaians abroad who rely on the certainty and finality of legally valid foreign civil marriages. Now, I say, one so need any buo Emma court, at the home, ya obiant me influence court there. Then so one a show more, and I say, one thing we are until I say, on Babontin chance and we Hanti, I show me some chance and we mamma scientists here. Then so much me and say, one person will be at us, as I be a team way by Enkunyan Sunsan so our Ghana form pem from Malcolm to moi, a Jubia, Omina. Na mobu no mutu media no mo ya obigina o ma wade enkrata so in the two sa and amount in Roman you heard here o chichimu or say this judgment effectively affirms that a Ghanaian customary union and a foreign civil marriage may coexist. Next atem way by they say ka koye sase o mo twe o kata me say and yes adia na Ghana if ya wade se bi wo sa if ya wade we no bi wade wo fia ene empo akwantuo mu so obi no obi aware wakwantu ma madam akokot akotintim no na se Ghana mara na ya amna akoye se yegini mienu nyina tum awa abraham so yegina so enim se obi nya ware cost sabi ordinance marriage and I say a court or the civil marriage bia untim ware bi nka tu ware civil marriage and I say ordinance marriage bi na mpo ko ware obi ka ho a enam se wunya enjai court or the no a sa wade na ko ware ka ho e null and void ye nyintum emrem wadaroma enti yento about omo kire se ena matem we ya ba ye die na se ne sa dia atemu ne pese kyerɛ sɛ obi kura ɛware ɛwɔ akwantuo mu court deɛ mmerɛ mu a wobɛtumi kura saa bɛware bi ɛwɔ Ghana efie di aka ho yɛ a ɛnsɛ hwɛ na sɛ court no atemu ne pese kyerɛ sɛ ɛkɔ exist. However, I don't say court ruling now the buy and say or say they make authentication once a year. When one to me authenticate marriage certificate into no of an say any of both to be say you need ordinance marriage be our name marriage or Sabren a court to boss and say 1991 that lumba name Akosua say worry a fee customary marriage our bomb so Kumasi and in the year 2010 so that lumba name of the bonus worry customary marriage into atemu na akɔde ban na ɔsɛ ɛyɛ customary marriage and a customary so deɛ obetumi aware dodoɔ no a ɛde aka ho yes nti wo deɛ yɛntoa so na yɛnte nsɛm no ase ɛyie nti afei yɛto also say thereby exposing diaspora families to significant legal uncertainty in matters of inheritance, property rights, and spousal recognition and burial rights. Na sɛ kɔba saa sɛ yɛgyina nyinaa to mu deɛ a sɛ obetumi wɔ court wɔ akwantuo mu na ɔba ɔyɛ fie deɛ ka ho a na neɛ ɛma abusuafo wɔ akwantuo mu wɔn ebedi yaw paa ama wɔn nhyɛ da ehunu nifa ɛmfiri bonko ho ɛfa sɛbi awadeɛ afei agyapadeɛ sɛ obi n'akyi gya obi ɛne kyesɛ obi gwa yi nyame deɛ na yɛ mu nhyɛ nyinaa na ɛha adwen afɔ to also say in particular it underscores that Ghanaian courts may accord equal overriding weight to customary claims where proof of dissolution is deemed insufficient, even in the presence of a valid foreign marriage certificate. Nese, and one almost like Cherkate, Eddie SSP, Sakobasa, and Equa Hajin Pa, let's any obi wadi with fear. Na as a Jitumansa, Pokra, Abra, our the Bruchawa, the any of the Ohono, Nanso Bino Biawa with fee. Na ye jatum the animunium, any a boamana, a balance with Tia, said the Ambrani city, said the Ina anymore. Tia, we will say substantive requests and demands of the Ghanaian diaspora. See, Ghana for all according to almost some panels, and Tia, no more chair. Also, we therefore respectfully request that your esteemed office urgently intervene to Yedikai. The almost 3% penny for my church abroad. Yeah, Ghana man penny can German embassy. Yeah, what Ghana I can be foreign affairs ministry. Yeah, what Ghana I can be any just the office of the diaspora and affairs. Yeah, what presidency women account be. At the end, woman, you can clarify the official position of Ghana of the government of Ghana on the recognition of German civil marriage certificate. Let's say Ghana buying Emra Wontumi chim ye who said the original position fa awade yeah wa going to teach obani German obi no obi awade wa German mrem no Ghana ban jitu man say Ghana ban anyintu the Ghana government Marbontin no me clarify no eno ye baako afi di kan say the to be say provide a definitive directive to Ghanaian embassies, missions and consular offices abroad regarding their role in authenticating or facilitating the recognition of such document. And now say, I'm check on my Ghana embassy or Germany Berlin. Now one want me to know much or mom Ghana Hantino. Ebia na do ebino, because administrative gaps kakra baby touch humanity. Ghana buying Emma embassy Ghana embassy missions in the consular offices or we are saying how those know omuju medie ye sefata so omudi fa se ye pekata bi na wo se omo ene boa ma ne dimu a omuju medie pa ne se ebia na nim no omu nimu a obi nimu a obi ekere no so ye baako ye to so biem se issue clear guidance to Ghanaian courts to ensure consistent, fair and internationally aligned handling of foreign marriage certificate. Na say some ya binding mpanyufo na what you can say the chief justice ka ban no ho enti they are course now so chief justice no on the head of the judiciary it nese ensehwe enti sanete ya dia omuma Ghana court na ntiase na omo ntense mwasiye na omo nya consistent omo hu say say the city e le yina yetumi edi asem dia fa no kran from na fe ya mapepepe ya daddy titro pa ene de efa abrochire amahodo so awade enkrata ho afi ba ko bi mo say when say ensure that the rights of diaspora citizens who contribute significantly to Ghana's economy, culture, and development are preserved and protected under Ghanaian law. Na say abayinhwe empanifo na enhwe said ye be ya abusia the omo hwe no Ghana fo wa kwantum omo efa hodie die mrane mo kwan se sefata eni anama wa se mrane ma kwan se bo omo banya di na no omo enhwe na omo nya na pepepe isan se omo wa kwantum die na so e ban se ye mo aye man Ghana omo contribute to oman no empuntuo oman ne amamre ne amane se oman ne kwan mi na omo ka ho bi ti wo se e bo omo so ban o Ghana mra mu yesi bia Ghana no akwale wa kwantu nti yeso awade ne nimu e Ghana ha na ebu na nimtia da bi e ba sa e ha atwen afedi e twat won say affirm the validity and acceptance of Mrs. Akosua Serwaa&Thousands German marriage certificate, as it is the same type of certificate held by thousands of Ghanaian citizens living in Germany whose marital rights must likewise be protected. And I say, after court and share, now it's so peer. And I say, penny for a bimon penny for me, that come on me now. And share, no mamma saying, Antias, say, Sebi, mamma, Akosua Serwaa, what the unclata I better than court no, or that more than cratan. And no, I ya crotching out, no, be a crab war, German abitchmemu. Enti, mpanyinfoɔ si so pi na wɔn nyi ntoma wiase nyinaa ho sɛ ɛyɛ no bi na ekura wɔn nyinaa ɛwɔ akɔntuo mu sɛdeɛ esi tie na wɔn yɛ sɛ ɛbɛboa ama Ghanafoɔ a wɔaware wɔ akɔntuo titiri pa ne Germany wɔn nso aware yɛ no mmara no abɔ ho ban ɛde ama wɔn afei ɛtɔ so bi mu ɔsɛ our plea is not only for justice in the case at hand, but also for the safeguarding of all Ghanaians abroad whose marital rights may otherwise be compromised due to administrative ambiguities. Let's say, one more slepa say, and yes, bia, one more, as someone being come, I'm going to say, why am I in that lumba? At the inquest on Mocassanem, Ghana from pim, what we are some doing answer. So the bear almost what dear, yambra. And as what dear, a mood dear as ye didn't me, near cra, na Ghana mra bon bana. Akosua say the bear, except we win kobu, almost what the enemy tia, and nam. Say obi dwuma bi so aban dwuma bi anipa bi sɛ wɔyɛ bibi na bi a senim na onim ana sɛ wantumi anyɛ na wama de ma akɔtɔ chima obi negligence na sɛ ambiguities kakra bi a obi answer that answer clarification nti na amana kɔpa nsa ayɛ sɛ ha atwen afei ɛtɔ so bi mo say extended implications for the Ghanaian diaspora in Germany. Very and I say asem we are ruling here by it is so be Ghana for what Germany abridgment maybe need I say the ruling raises the following critical concerns. It kind recognition of customary claims. Let's say says if you are there court G2 mu now ball sabi court our the to go chance was authentication be any mono yan to us was say Ghanaian courts may look beyond foreign civil marriage certificates to assess the validity of alleged customary unions, potentially granting customary partners legal standing, inheritance, and burial matters. Let's say, says here, I'm to boy, no plan say, Omina, Mr. Meka, our fienti, or say, Ekobasana Yakohadrin, a much nebi ebia, na court or do I call your mind Ganem and Pobino be our than I contour our dear Yamra, editum, civil marriage bia, court crabble buonim tia, na warezo, one will be our court, the another will feel crow. Any accordion and be seen chain, not the already feeling so. Aquanya can say fata say, wow, what court on a winner. You already will feel your man and Sarkodie and Abby. As a behadrin, said there is yet here. And the Aquanya bit to say, legal standing inheritance, say a Japadia crowd will be what they and Remo say Japadia will be a ultimate customary marriage, not the award customary marriage and so. Customary marriage and so about Aberchan and Cheffa woman. And the Cobas as a court, a customary not to alongside ordinance marriage, I was saying you. Alongside ordinance marriage now, not a man acquires any. The hour and the customer and so 2 minutes that they are on ordinance, which is not the case. It's almost the same function year pa. And yes, actually be obi no be our quantum court there. They be our found one about obi wa Ghana if you the assembly by crowd. Or found about what Ghana if you there. Except because what's the 7 nipa ni ho na Japan be on the person na abro wa quantum wenya na Japan ni adia. Now because and now I'm saying to boy, my Akosua Serwaa of the bring that lumber sense and will boy so customary marriage and so into sefata say unya Japadie wo sefata say bia oka asem kan wo sefata say bia won so ye kura wotumi ewom woni obi aware no amremrem na wotumi wom na ba betwa say bia to ama saa na be koso afebo no so basa ebe ha adwin no so ma chwa adwin kakra ewo ho afi it was be say creation of judicial precedent or say the decision establishes a framework for dual marital recognition, challenging the assumption that a foreign civil marriage automatically supersedes a customary union under Ghanaian law. On the Ebasa, na cause you at semi, a Kobasa, Nanny, a man to just say, oh, send the Empo Grano. Obi any will be ware a meramu, said the idea to me. No, Samba ware a fear dear, Nanny Omina will be out to me. ɛwɔ abɛnim sɛ ɛnte saa ɛsan sɛ obi ɛna obi ware akɔntuo mu anaasɛ mmerɛ mu a ɛno no na ɛyɛ ɛda soro yɛ a supersede customary marriage bi afie die biara kɔpem sɛ wobɛgyae ɛyɛ court yɛ no wontumi mfa fie awadeɛ bi anka ho na ade ka ho koraa so a yɛnyi ntum wɔ mmara mu sɛdeɛ ɛsi teɛ nanso court atemmuo yɛ abɛn nti no na kyerɛ bi ɛbɛayɛ sɛ o ɛne ɛba saa akɔ ɛnte saa nti na ɛbu n'animtia sɛ wo ne obi kora ware ɛwɔ court a ɔtumi sɛ awɛfa wɔ bi ɛne ware wɔ fie yɛ a wɔn nyinaa ɛwɔ tumi ɛwɔ mmara mu which is not the case afei ɛtɔ so bi mo say inheritance and property rights. Also, the recognition of a customary union opens the door for claims under the Interstate Succession Law (PNDC 111) with direct consequences for estates formed under foreign civil marriages. Nti sɛ wɔtwe mu na sɛ ɛkɔba sɛ obi na obi ɛware ɛwɔ fie deɛ sɛ ɛbɛde ki akyerɛ mu yɛ a na ɛba saa Interstate Succession Law yɛkyerɛ sɛ wɔn obi ware a agyapadeɛ ne adeɛ ɛwɔ a ɔware no wɔtumi yɛ a ɔwɔ kyɛfa wɔm ɛne adeɛ no na ɛyɛ abu n'animtia sɛdeɛ esi ɛteɛ which shouldn't be the case ɛnso so ɛwɔ hɔnom sɛdeɛ esi ɛteɛ afei tɔso bi mo say increased skepticism towards foreign documents. So the ruling may foster judicial skepticism towards foreign public documents, even where such documents have been duly verified by competent foreign authorities. Na sɛ ɔba so obi kura ɛna obi awade akwantuo mu sɛdeɛ mmara ne adeɛ agye atumi a ɛbɛbi ebi ana gyidie kura ɛnhyɛ da ɛmma mu saa ɛnam atemmuo yɛ abɛn ɛna afei ɔse burial and widowhood rights. Also, the recognition of multiple spouses creates complex cultural and legal obligations, including the entitlement of more than one widow to perform customary rights. Na sɛ basa sɛbi nipa yi nyame dia no ne wuo hyehyɛeɛ na yie hyehyɛeɛ ɛna afei kunayɛ koraa no so duru baabi a na ɛkɔ akɔ ha adwe kakra sɛ yɛkrata yi ɛnso atwerɛ hɔnom ɛna afei forward looking measures deɛ bɛbiem na ɔmo hwɛ anim ɔse we trust in your leadership na sɛ mpanyinfoɔ ɔmo ahwɛ krata abrɛ mu yi ɛna ɔmo ka kyerɛ ɔmo sɛ we trust in your leadership and in the commitment of the Republic of Ghana to uphold fairness, legal certainty, and the dignity of its citizens, whether at home or abroad. So, what did you pass a mampini of a German embassy or Ghana, ha, foreign affairs minister, and Pennyfakina? Aba wapa, said Baya, I said Pepe, or Bukram Ranui, now I said Ghana for, yeah, what Ghana, ha, anyone you walk on to na, said Buanimunyam, any boy, a fata. I will be beyond Ghana, Brand, the Momo, let me be so I asked me, no, so there is at Yafe. Oh, you know, say the petition is submitted not only in response to a single court decision, but as part of a broader effort to protect the legal security, dignity, and legitimate expectations of Ghanaians living abroad. Na sɛ krataa yi a wɔde aba petition yi ɛnyɛ sɛ bi asɛm abɛyɛ a nti na wɔde saa krataa aba na mmom wɔn deɛ asɛm a wɔde krataa yi na ɛba sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ ɛbɛboa na yɛahwɛ yɛn mmara no mu yie na yɛkura yɛn mmara no mu yie na afei animuonyam yɛ ɛsɛ fata ɛwɔ Ghanafoɔ titiri ba ne Ghanafoɔ wɔ akɔntuo mu wɔn nso anya ɛde afa wɔn awadeɛ mu na afei ne die ne buo yɛ ɛsɛ fata sɛdeɛ Ghanafoɔ wɔ akɔntuo wɔn ho mmara ne amammerɛ ne amanneɛ wɔ akɔntuo mu na court boa ma bibia pɛpɛpɛ na ɔmo nso anya gyidie biem ɛwɔ yɛn man Ghana sɛbi yɛn system no ɛmu nso so ɛwɔ hɔ no afei yɛtɔ so bi wɔ say we respectfully seek your intervention to ensure legal certainty, fairness, and policy coherence, and to uphold Ghana's commitment to the protection of its citizens, irrespective of their place of residence. That's almost as SRPA. Something from the money we are a match them and we a brand use and brand sales here. No, be a edgement, be also running here. Our end of pepe, of a pepe, somebody can Nina na abwa ama obia who said no correct Ghana. Ayakado so babona na matse na tibe mfo afei one wa kontum na this nyina ho ban and found so Ghana ha and I say uni Ghana ha say and afei just of course remain available for constructive engagement and dialogue on this matter and trust in your esteemed officers to give this petition the serious consideration it warrants. Afei omo wi na omo say bisa petition omo dia ba omo konkoda omo sere pa say omo ho abire bia yakoba se agencies yana se mpanyufo yi ene institutions yi Ghana mampanyini wani akan na German embassy ya Ghana ha foreign affairs minister office of diaspora affairs ene wani akan na koba se omu nyina epe na koba se bi omu hia so no matwe nkomo abo na omu nyina koba nkoma tensem ase ye ama bibia ya asodua omu aye krado pa se ombeboa na omu nyina koba nkoma didi nkoma twetwe nkomo ama entiase adwuma enso so ɛwɔ respectfully submitted abusua kratai the Union of Ghana Associations in Germany and our nyinaa ka bɔ mu a wɔn de saa kratai about for and on behalf of the Ghanaian diaspora in the Federal Republic of Germany in representation to Ekoye can woman at record time did come a Union of Ghana Associations in Germany UGAC and of the Ghana Council NRW and of family representatives also can be of legal consultants can be and of the wider Ghanaian diaspora community in Germany woman can be on record and so on and some people are your address no one baby and your command abusuanti sanity with a quick one and asam no Zadia Chia se bia na foforo firi mu ba we ye Ghana for ye wo Germany and na maka bom de petition anya asam kitu akra e di bia bre Ghana ban e di bia koma afei aye the ambassador ya owo Germany Ghana ambassador owo Germany e di bia bre foreign affairs minister owo Ghana ha afei di bia bre chief justice owo Ghana ha afei office of diaspora affairs ya owo Ghana ha say and afei so aye German aban na musini owo Ghana ha omo di bia bre omo so mu na mwa na bibia enso enye boko mu na mwa na pepepe ye ento nti Dr. William we Africa won be Dr. Alex Kofi Apia e ka won afei Mr. Emmanuel Osaiwusu omo na ka bia omo di nsem we aba abetu nti ebuzua ye be di nsem we achi bia petition ba ko bia na mu nchemu na de beto from ye besa ba ye de aso won say some we no medical aka say a national issue now it even goes beyond the MI on say between nations into international issue kran sa so say Germany and Ghana and him say they are the German states almost ehwe dia bekoso and the nti na yesre say bibia beto no kwam said ye sefata na emra edihine na pepepe edihine na yina china bi obi nim be china bi wakopi na be china wakoju ye bi ono so sansem abeto dwai ebenya nsunsuanso awon so nti na yina yesre say empanyefo mwa na bibia anya pepepe bibia anya asomdwe na nti asema na obi akomanto ne yem say de emra amamre ne amane and so SCT nti abuja de beto from be besa ba de da beso me da sa oje brehwe me de kwabna usuka say obi trade enterprise o Kumasi South Central Junction eso yas na o pata le papa ni perfect papa de amesero ko obi trade enterprise o Kumasi South Central Junction na ko jibe na bibia ankoye emfa ema South na make come from Better Grace Financial Services Ghana for more American and Canada Better Grace intermediary financial group we have financial assistance afei open insurance company papa de ho abata na amesero and yeah, for number na gusto no miam mame ohenere da na kusi lady dina on e ko far by e de ma Better Grace Financial Services uno mo di dwuma na wo sie sika kwa ho gym e ko ba se ohia sika obatam sika boom di amount e tax free on pay when e na pay so as na uno mo di dwuma na fe so me commander so na so nyama ne pare e ho na amane bi ba e bia on ti nya dwuma bi mo ma be show ko so be nya me dia man so on be show man akopin say on be we su apon on pay we na e de na ope abusia be pam ye be hia koso a na hwe by Grace TV sanse woni pa bebre and so at the moment, the that's why I'm official. Yamika, Macau. Bye bye.